Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Suzuki Vitara Urban rear-wheel drive, stock reference number 4727. This shape runs from the 8th month 2008 through to the 12th month 2018. It has a J24B 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. J24B 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight. Left guard has a couple of small dents on the front edge. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has a couple of small dents. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the left-hand tail light. Bumper bar tidy cover with park sensor type. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Spare wheel. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has a couple of small dents, as does the right front door, as well as the front fold. Right power door mirror. Right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.